こんにちは。想講下呢本書《The Anxious Generation》Chinese title I just found out is 焦慮的世代。I think it proves the fact 好多 proven facts shows like social media is really toxic for kids and 佢嗰個 thesis or 嗰個 hypothesis the author it's based on before the arrival of iPhone we had people who are born I guess millennials are born with a childhood play-based childhood. After this generation, which is like Gen Z and Alpha, they are born with a phone-based childhood, which second point, don't have like a role model. Their role model, they are defined in social media, in Instagram. And then 第三個 point 就係女仔比男仔更加 affected by social media。
我想講呢，其實呢本書最尾嗰度呢，佢俾咗好多 solution 嘅，就係喺學校或者家長點樣可以幫助啲小朋友接觸少啲呢個電話啦。但係講嚟講去，我覺得都係一幅皮，唔係。其實我覺得好多嘢都係 doom 㗎啦， like 小朋友都係 doom because 好 indispensable 啊！我覺得呢個電話呢樣嘢咁。但係我覺得佢嘅重心就係話16歲之前你唔好俾個小朋友接觸個電話，特別喺學校，即係帶入去都唔好啊，最好。喺一個佔我半接觸，即係我嘅成長裏邊半接觸開始有半接觸電話嘅人嘅將司個 millennial 啦，我係一個 millennial 啦，咁我諗我大學嗰陣時先有一個第一代 iPhone 啊買咗，然後 Facebook 同埋 Instagram 都係之後先接觸到嘅，但係後尾前幾年我有玩 TikTok 啦，咁但係發現真係唔掂喎 ，TikTok 真係好 addictive， 令到你個人集中唔到啊！你咁樣喺度 scroll doom scrolling 咧，會影響到即係你嘅集中力，你係 focus 唔到一樣嘢 long time。So I think 如果你大人都已經嗰個控制能力咧，你個腦嗰控制能力已經咁weak， 如果俾一個細小朋友玩呢樣嘢，咁真係唔掂喎。即係如果你冇一個點講啊，有一個好 vigilant 嘅 supervising 啊，一個 plan 咧，我諗即係你長大咗都係會有呢個 anxious 嘅或者好多 depression 嘅嘢出現咯。呢個係真係我嗰代未 suffer 過，咁但係都係 slowly 有咁嘅現象出現咯。咁我好開心我讀咗呢本書，因為即係知道呢樣嘢都知道啦，但係冇想像冇即係俾讀完佢之後，哇係咁犀利啊！原來真係特別係之前我讀嗰本I want to die but I want to eat tteokbokki 嗰本書證明咗啦，我上次都講咗，證明咗原來呢個作者係受到咁多欺凌啦，喺網上嘅欺凌，咁然後令到自己嘅個心理狀況好唔平衡。咁 Anyway, anyway, I think I've overshare, but this is like kind of my reflection after reading this book. It's not necessarily a book review, but again, it's my feelings toward this book. All right, thank you for listening, and I hope I will share another book next time with you guys. Thank you. À la prochaine.